Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with the Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel
Remodel Your
Your
Thinking.
Thinking. Today we're going to give you some tips for your planning outdoor living. So we're almost at the end of 2024, so we wanted to give you some tips in case you're looking at planning your outdoor space for next year.
So our first tip on an outdoor living space is to create somewhat of a seamless transition between the indoors and the outdoors. Similar aesthetic styles, but also you can invite the outdoors in with specific design elements and architectural elements, like a very large glass door or sliding bifold glass doors that basically open the wall up to the outside.
Tip 2, outdoor kitchen. Why not? In San Antonio, Texas, you can have an outdoor kitchen any time of the year. The only thing is you want to make sure that it's personalized. So this is really customization depending on if you need multi-space functioning cooks all at the same time, or maybe you want to incorporate technology, watch your favorite game with your friends while you're hanging out, cooking some fajitas. So a lot of these different things really depend on the homeowner, but you want to make sure that it's something that's personalized and that it blends with the rest of the house.
So our third tip for the outdoor living space is create some kind of privacy. This can be done obviously with a higher fence if local codes allow, or with plantings. For instance, this plant next to me right here can grow very, very tall, so it creates a shield between you and your neighbors, so you have somewhat of a private environment in your backyard.
And the last tip is the design. So this is really, really important to consider the design. Maybe you want a gazebo, maybe you want a pergola, maybe you want it completely covered and matches the house. All of those things are really important to take in consideration when you're planning your outdoor space. So make sure to consider outdoor resilient type things like your appliances, if that's something you're incorporating, stone countertops, if that's something you're incorporating, whether that's in an outdoor kitchen or just dining space. So there's a lot of different things, but you do want to blend your design so it doesn't look out of place.
Thank you so much for joining us today on our tips for outdoor living. Hopefully you got a little bit of something out of it. And please share with your friends, follow us on social media.
Yes, and if you like what you saw, please let us know. And if you have any ideas for future tips for Remodel Your Thinking, we would love to hear it.
Thanks.
Thanks.